How to get free Shein gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnath, and today I'll guide on how you can get Shein gift card or how you can earn free Shein gift card. Now first things first, the easiest way to get a free Shein gift card is to share your opinion with branded surveys. This leading service site is a popular way to earn gift cards and free PayPal cash, so you can go ahead and complete the survey there to earn your Shein gift card. Similarly, you want to enter Shein giveaways on social media. It is another potential way to snag a free Shein gift card. You can enter social media giveaways for the gift cards and free Shein clothing. Similarly, you can other way is the swag books. Like branded service, another method to get a free card to Shein is to earn rewards with Swagbooks. Now, Swagbooks is an easy way to earn Shein gift cards as well as PayPal money and gift cards for other retailers as well. You can take surveys for money, you can go ahead and read the email and see for any offers as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.